What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kittner here. Yesterday Adrian got a little carried away when we put the wheels on there, so he's dead set to get his four-wheel drive, and we bought that box, got all this unwired. Got all this. You want to tell them what you installed?
Well, the sad thing is I probably could have got the all-wheel drive to work pretty easy.
Yeah.
But I decided to take the hard route and put an aftermarket all-wheel drive controller. It's a PRP ETS Pro. So basically, in the GT-Rs, they have their own ECU to control the all-wheel drive.
Yes.
And I mean, this car's from 1989, so it's not the highest processing power. It doesn't make decisions that fast. I mean, in compared to what this does,
Yeah.
this processes a lot faster. It gives me the option to have the car in like two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. It also offers me to adjust the bias of the all-wheel drive myself from anything from 50/50 to 100% rear. Right. And I can do all that myself with the knob and switch provided. And I thought all we had to do was just wire a couple things in and be good. That's why I was like, all right, I'm going to do this tomorrow or yesterday. And
because it was like a work day, not a work day.
Yeah. And then that turned into having to hardwire the Ateza pump, which is what controls or forces the all-wheel drive to work. And then we got that to work. Yeah. And then we're like, but what's turning it off? So then we had to figure out what wiring is for the pressure switch, to use the pressure switch to turn off the Ateza. It's been a whole ordeal. Upside down inside the trunk, trying to sort out relays and everything else. But we got it all sorted out. I just got to terminate everything. So the car should have fully functioning all-wheel drive after today.
Yep. Needless to say, he went down a wormhole. He was here before I was even here. It's like,
yeah.
It's sorted.
Well, today's technically a work day, so I need to hurry up and get this knocked out so I can start working on other stuff.
Yeah, we got an STI to put coolant line on. Got some brakes on the GT-R, but I don't know if this is your first time sitting in. This is his setup. Made a little bit shy of 900 wheel.
Yep.
Roberto was here yesterday unwrapping his car. He's getting all the pieces painted. Got a Blobeye to replace a soft coolant line. And then I think later on today he's going to go get the Stickly Nickleys mounted on those wheels. And guys, I finally got the Supra vacuumed out. Got the new HKS floor mats in it. Bring you a little update on everything.
Give me a little bit of brake. Two-wheel drive. Too much brake. Too much brake.
All right, guys, we got all-wheel drive now. It's time to
Tidy it up.
Yep.
And restrain from going to the track.
I thought we was going to the track.
Who knows what it's... I mean, I don't know what's going to happen if we do go to the track. Third gear is kind of finicky in these anyway, so...
Yeah.
It's hard to hit third gear at like over 8,000, almost 9,000 RPM.
And you're on the other side of the steering wheel.
Yeah, it's not so much that. It's like, I don't know if it's... And maybe it's just been spinning the entire time.
Yeah.
It's like, it's spinning when I'm trying to hit third, so
Right.
like unloads the trans weird or something. But
Cool.
it's like you have to baby it into gear. And then by that time, this car loses all of its boost, and then you got to build it back up, so you're not really doing anything good.
But yeah.
Now we just need to find a place to test that they can't hear the car from 10 miles away.
Mexico.
I don't know if there is any good places.
Alright guys, he has the trunk back together. Everything wired up. Got the OG tires back on it. He went to go get the radials mounted on those welds. So when he gets back, we're going to test fit them and see how they look. Should be, I think those are 27s. The tires on the car right now are 26. So we will see how they fill up the fender well.
But I don't know that they're going to clear.
Uh-oh. They might.
What's that?
How much air do they have in them?
Oh, like 25.
Oh.
So, like, there's more air than I would run normally on these two.
Gonna have to lift her.
But that kind of sucks, because then when I put the other tires on, it's either I got to adjust it or look goofy, I guess.
Well, I guess you're gonna have to get some bigger radials.
I don't know if they make bigger ones for a 16.
Dang.
Look at how close it is.
It ain't
There ain't
even
no fucking way.
right. Nice.
That's gonna be a no-go.
Going for the Aussie look. You don't think so?
Look at the front bumper. Come on, get a turn.
You got just that smidge. Those are massive. And crinkle. Holy crap, look at that.
It needs to be way taller.
Alright. Yeah, you're gonna have to lift her. How you gonna get by in that front bumper? You gonna have to trim?
I don't know.
But alright guys, the wheels you're gonna have to step down.
Yeah.
Size.
Yeah. Too big.
Too big.
Yeah. We'll probably go down to like a 26 by 8. But we'll see.
Right.
Not a huge priority. We started looking into a little bit more of the like no prep
Classes.
class legal stuff.
Yeah.
And I might not even be able to run a bias ply anyway. I might have to run a radio. So
Oh, okay.
in order to go, like, any of the race weeks are all radio
Oh.
drive cars. They make you use a street radial. So it has to be a DOT approved radial tire. Well, everybody else gets to be on slicks.
So I gotta be on slicks?
Yeah.
So
basically, you could run that tire.
So guys, we'll probably end up trying that on there to see what it looks like.
And then when we do race week, we're gonna get a roof rack, and it's gonna mount the tires like
Right there. Hey, that'd be cool.
And it sucks because these are so light.
Yeah.
Like, you could arm curl one in each hand easy peasy, but like the ones that I have on the car now are way heavier.
Oh, okay.
I bet you 2 of these wheels and tires weigh what 1 of the other ones do.
That's crazy. But it is what it is.
Yep. Got the all-wheel drive working though.
Yep. All-wheel drive works. So maybe some testing soon in Mexico.
I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to break stuff.
No. But guys, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.